guys. So I just got the new shift knob. Pretty cool. This is like the Valentine special. My girlfriend got this for me. Thank you. I love you for watching this. Pretty cool. The weight is way different to what I have right now. You can't see, but I have the Daytona Pro. Like, you can really tell the difference from this compared to this. I really love this one. I really do. When you buy this one, the special edition, the Valentine special, it comes with a keychain, likewise, with a heart that's melting. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. There's nothing wrong with this one. I really love it. It shifts nicely. It clicks into gear amazing, smoothly actually. Like, you'll see the difference. Like, you just tap it, or when you're trying to go neutral. And also I have the extension too. Don't mind the mess in my car. Well, it's just these two, just this in front of my car. I have the extension Junior. I recommend this. It's not obnoxiously tall. A reason why I got the extension was because I just want to go straight to gear, like right there. Like, look at that, instead of going below down here. Like, this is usually where the stock shift knob will be at, like right here, like right here. But with this one, it's like right there. I think the regular size will be a little too much. It'll be like a little right here. I know some people might be annoyed or bothered that the extension or the shift knob will block your display. I don't mind it. I really don't get on it. You shouldn't even be using it when you're driving. That's just on me. But I guess when you're in a stop sign, changing something real quick, boom. But no, it's still fine. I guess if you're in first, yeah, it's blocking it. But when you're even on 6, you still kind of see here. But unless I'm pretty short, so I'm more closer to the front, closer to the steering wheel. So maybe if you're more back, I guess, but there's no problem. And also, obviously, you have to get the collar A-type from them. So I got this for collar, their Junior, no, not the Pro, just the regular Junior, Rob Stewart exactly, and Daytona Pro was what I was running. And by the way, their packaging is the same way. Don't get confused as if you got the wrong order. I know it shows like the regular black one, but when you open it, oh, it came off. As you can see, it's the right one. Honestly, this is pretty awesome. I've always wanted to order one of these and have it on the side, well, on this area, but yeah, it comes with this. It's pretty cool. You can see that it's like engraved. But yeah, when you shift gears with this, it feels light. You can see the difference when you jangle it. It stops immediately. Yeah, the other one was like, feel like a clock ticking by second to adjust itself. Not sure if it's the right way, but yeah. When I go to reverse, you can feel the clicks. You can feel the clicks much more than usual, but I don't mind either way. I've been liking this one more. It's half of the weight, I believe, but you could just look it up on the description of their website and it'll be more specific of what it is. Well, hopefully your partner gets it for you, or you get it for yourself. There's nothing wrong with that. I used to do that a lot. But yeah, man, this is really cool. I saw like their ad or an advertisement that they're like doing a special edition for Valentine's Day, and this is the one that they were making. But yeah, I recommend it. Other than that, thank you for watching. I'm about to go to work in a bit. So have a good one, guys. Enjoy. Small video, but oh well, it's fine. Enjoy your day, afternoon, night, morning, however you want to call it. Take care.